For today's video on ulingsignil.com, I'm gonna show you how much is your potential income in every 1,000 views in YouTube. Actually, there are a lot of factors, but I'm gonna stick on my actual performance for you to have an overview. See on how much are you going to earn. See, I have here a video that I created December 4, 2013, as you can see. That's December 4, 2013. And I call this video a late bloomer. See? In this video, December 4 from until now, that's 9 months after, I have 21,933 views. And that 21,933 views, I earned $32 already from that views. So let's compute. How many 1,000 and 21,000? That's around 21, of course. So let's just run it off so that it will not complicate things. I know not of us love math. So let's put it this way. $32 divided by 21. In 21,930, there are 21 1,000, right? So $32 divided by 21, that's around $1.52 in every 1,000 views. Now you have the idea. See, you have the idea. You could compute this one. What I did is I just divide this into 1,000, so it's easier for me to get the 1,000 views, the cost per 1,000 views. Now let's go to my other video. How much are they earning? See, this is big, really. I've created this video October 14, so let's readjust. October 14, 2013. So October 14, that's it. We adjust it now. So the total of this video is 357 views. 357 views. That's big. But as you can see, why I don't have any earnings? It's because this video have a copyright problem. Meaning, I've used pictures that I downloaded in internet, and really YouTube don't like that one. So guys, learn it from my experience. I should have earned a lot, but I didn't. It's because of the copyright mistakes that I made. Now, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have learned. You know how much are you earning for every 1,000 views, and I hope you have learned what are the things that you will not do so that you would earn in YouTube. Thank you very much. Click the image now. Click the image now.